Hey, Ken here at Waters Garden Center. I'm going to plant a beautiful Spanish lavender. Let me show you what's going on here. So I had this beautiful pot. It had pansies all over it. They were glorious, but now it's too hot for them. Well, pansies don't like the heat. Lavender loves the heat. And look, this container, it's about the right size for this plant. This is going to get up about 18 inch by 18 inch, maybe 2 feet if I'm lucky. But basically it's gonna be this big around. Perfect size for this container. And I love the way the blue comes off this earth tone chocolate mocha. So I pulled the pansies out, added some soil. I'm gonna get it just about right here. And the question always people come up with is, Ken, when you pull this out of the bucket, how much, come out of there. Come out of there. There we go. See the roots. How much of the roots should I beat up? It's a real fibrous root mass. I don't do much. I just kind of loosen it up here, and that's about it. I just want the roots coming out so they're not going in a circle. They're coming out this way now. So that's about all I'm doing. Roots in the bottom are coming out, so this is going to be beautiful. I'm going to put this in the ground now in the container. I've added some fresh potting soil. That's another one. People keep using the same soil over and over, and your soil, you need freshness in your soil. So I pulled the pansies out, pulled that top layer of potting soil out, and I'm going to top it off with fresh soil. Then I'm going to water it in with root and go, oh, that thing's big. Oh, it feels better already. It's going, thank you for getting me out of that bucket. I'm going to thrive here in this container. Now at the very end, because I did beat the roots up, I'm going to add some root and grow into my bucket. And here's how you do it. So about 3 tablespoons in a gallon of water. This is basically compost tea. I've never tried this before. Let's see if I can do this. Can you see the color of this? It's, I don't know if I'm strong enough. There we go. It looks like molasses. So, full of water. So root and grow. This is for transplant shock. That plant is freaking out right now. It just wants to soothe the roots, get it all to stabilize. And so, you'll see it come out kind of chocolatey looking. And that's, or a cappuccino look. It's thinking cappuccinos. If you like Starbucks, this plant does too, only they call it root and grow. I'll do this every couple of weeks until I see, oh, new growth is coming out, new roots are happening. That's a Spanish lavender. It's going to be super happy. Lavenders love growing in containers because of the drainage. They actually like the heat buildup in the containers. The hotter, the better for lavender. The better the drainage, the better, the less amount of water. So I'll water this every, I don't know, couple of days, and it will be happy and bloom like this. Butterflies are gonna be happy. Hummingbirds will check this out by the end of the day. Lavenders grow really well in the mountains of Arizona, and Spanish lavender is available right now at Waters Garden Center.
Click on the link below for more information. Of course, the plants are available here at Waters Garden Center, but the idea of every day at 11:30, Monday through Friday, lunchtime special is to give you something inspiring, something natural to look at, something that'll help you be a better gardener or just fun to relax with, and available at Waters Garden Center.